I'm going to take a video of you.
Oh, a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to get this beautiful kitchen in here. Amy's over there vacuuming all the kids' crumbs all over the floor. Everybody's doing their fair share. Nice kitchen, huh? Look at all that food we have yet. There's the kitchen. Oop, jeez, I almost fell. There. What a beautiful place.
It won't vacuum that up. Oh, it won't now.
Hey, Kathy.
Sorry.
I just got to get around. Yep, and then the bedrooms are down there, and the bedrooms are upstairs, and then there's a rec room in the basement, or, well, it's not a basement, it's lower level. And it's got a pool table, and that's another bedroom, that's where we are.